Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to pay for Atome using InstaPay. Now, if you do have any existing buy now, pay later that you need to settle on Atome and you would like to pay that using your InstaPay account, then that's definitely doable. First things first is head out straight to your InstaPay account and make sure that you're fully logged in. Now, it kind of works basically like Gcash. All you have to do is just to head on the option or feature in which that says Pay Billers. Now head on Pay Billers, and then once you're on Pay Billers, just simply look for Atome. And by there, just input your Atome reference number from your buy now, pay later reference, the specific amount, and you are good to go by there. And that's it. That's how you pay for Atome using your InstaPay. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.